Retrieve. To get something back from the place where it was left or lost. He forgot his wallet and went back to retrieve it. Please retrieve the files from the computer. Defer. To delay or postpone something to a later time. The meeting was deferred until next Monday. The event has been deferred due to bad weather. Concur. To agree with someone or have the same opinion. I completely concur with your decision. I concur, you are absolutely right. Restrain. To stop someone or yourself from doing something, to control or hold back actions, emotions, or behavior. I had to restrain myself from laughing during the meeting. He could not restrain his anger and shouted loudly. Please restrain your dog when visitors arrive. Dwindle. To gradually become smaller, weaker, fewer, or less, until very little or nothing remains. The water in the lake will dwindle during summer. Their savings have dwindled over the past few months. Distinct. Clearly different or separate from others, easy to recognize, because it has its own unique qualities. There is a distinct difference between the two phones. They come from two very distinct backgrounds. He has a very distinct voice, you can recognize it instantly. Remedy. A cure, medicine, or solution that fixes a problem, illness, or difficulty. This herbal tea is a good remedy for a sore throat. Is there any home remedy for this headache? Coincide. To happen at the same time, or to match or agree with something. The meeting coincided with my doctor's appointment. Their birthdays coincide, which is pretty rare. Her views coincide with mine on this issue. Coerce. To force someone to do something by using pressure, threats, or power even if they don't want to. The boss tried to coerce her into working overtime. I will not coerce you, it's your choice. It's wrong to coerce someone to change their religion. Reiterate. To say something again, usually to emphasize it or make it clearer. Can you reiterate what you just said? The teacher reiterated the instructions before the test. Ponder. To think carefully about something, especially before making a decision or forming an opinion. I'll ponder it and get back to you tomorrow. He sat quietly, pondering what to do next. Excruciating. Extremely painful, very intense, or very difficult to endure. I have never felt such excruciating pain before. The headache became excruciating by evening. Baffled. Very confused and unable to understand something. I am completely baffled by these instructions. We were all baffled when they broke up. Accumulate. To gradually collect, gather, or build up something over time. I have accumulated a lot of books over the years. The dishes accumulated in the sink after the party. Elated. Feeling very happy, excited, or overjoyed. I am absolutely elated right now because I got selected. I am so elated right now, I finally passed my driving test. tremendous. Very great in amount, size, intensity, or degree, extremely good or impressive. You have done a tremendous amount of work today. We had a tremendous time at the beach yesterday. The team received tremendous support from fans.